It's Shirley Bovshow with Home and Family, and I want to welcome you to our new mini welcoming garden to our home. Now, what we used to have here was a sad patch of lawn that everybody kept walking through. As you can see in the picture, it looked dead. We kept seeding it, never worked. So we stopped fighting it, and we came up with an idea to make a beautiful little water-wise garden with a path that people can actually walk through. Now, I want to give you a few tips based on this design so that you can create a small little garden as well. What makes this work, guys, is that I limited the palette of plants. As you can see, we've got really striking magenta. These are bougainvillea trees. They're going to stay small like this. So it's a very vibrant color. It's our primary color. Then we have down here yellow, which looks great as a contrast. This is our yarrow. And then this beautiful romantic, looks like a butterfly, actually called butterfly wings. This is Gara, and it's got white and pink. So white, pink, yellow, and magenta is just the color that we need. One of the things that we had to do here was we had to raise the garden bed. You see it's got a gentle slope. If you at home have bad soil and you really start digging into hardpan, you can always raise the level of your soil and then plant in that. So that was something we did. When you put your stepping stones down, make sure always to put at least 1 inch of sand so that you can wedge it in and level it and they won't be dancing around. Okay, come on over this way, take a closer look. Now on the second day, I did the second part of the makeover to bring this area of the yard to look more like our new garden. The way I did that was by repeating the plants. Again, the bougainvillea, like in the front. You see the yarrow and the Gara. So those are the core plants. But what makes it really fun is that we have a focal point, and you can do anything at home if you have a decorative mailbox or a sculpture, and then we just filled it with annual plants in the same colors. So if I had introduced another color here, you might be saying, Shirley, that's way too much going on for a small little space. But really, it's just the same colors, but different textures. Come on closer, Teak. I want to show you how adorable this is. Now, don't forget that the color of your house is also a part of the color palette of your garden. We have a gray house. Check this out, dichondra in silver. So we're relating the two. Bringing in our yellow with bidens. Is this like a totally happy plant? Coreopsis. And then, just to give you a tip, these are usually really dark tones. You've got the dark euphorbia, you've got the osteospermum, but when you add a pop of yellow, variegated white, a little euphorbia in white, and look at this cute little armaria. Man, you got a garden within a little pot. So anyways, come on down, watch us on Home and Family weekdays. I'm here to give you your garden tips and teach you how to grow some food and how to live the life that's enjoying everything under this sun. Watch us on Home and Family weekdays, Hallmark Channel, 10 o'clock. I'll be there in the garden.